How to fix Snapchat showing tap to load issue. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Snapchat tap to load issue on your phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step one, that is to check your internet connection. So first, make sure that your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data, or you can try the switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if the app works properly again or not. And with that, moving forward to the step two, that is to restart the Snapchat app. So here, if you're facing the issue, then what you can do is close the Snapchat app completely from the recent apps menu, and after that you can simply reopen the app and try loading the snap again. And with that, moving forward to the step three, that is to clear the Snapchat cache. So here, simply long press on the app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the Snapchat app settings. Now here in this page, you can just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm your action by tapping on OK. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the Snapchat app. So here, what you can do is simply open the Google Play Store, and now here, once you're inside, you can simply search for Snapchat app, and there, if you find any update button, then you can just tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to restart your phone. So here, if you're still facing the issue on Snapchat, then what you can do is simply restart your phone. And here, once you're done restarting your phone, you can open the Snapchat app again, and this can fix temporary app and network glitches. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to reinstall the Snapchat. So if the problem continues, then what you can do is simply uninstall the Snapchat app and reinstall it again from the Play Store or App Store. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.